We already are psychic, all of us, every one of us. When I first started doing what I was doing, sometimes when I would go to bed at night, I would lay down and see these visions of just people and random things that didn't make any sense. And a lot of people get that. A lot of people get psychic messages in their dreams because sometimes it's too scary to actually get them otherwise. So they tend to manifest in people's dreams. And I think that, we are all psychic entities. Psychic ability comes naturally to us. But if you want to really hone in on it, you need to be mindful of it. For example, I always tell people, if you want to use your intuition, there are a few things that you really need to start practicing. One is knowing that the first answer is always the correct answer. Because think about the times you've regretted something. It wasn't what you thought in that moment that you remember, it's how you felt. It's like, I knew I shouldn't have done that. I knew, and you knew because your intuition told you. And so always, 100% of the time when we regret, it's because we weren't listening to that inner intuitive self. So it's really just becoming aware of those things and aware of those processes within us and finding that spot within us that is like our gut feeling or our, psychic voice. And it's also another trick I tell people to really start feeling what it's like to have those psychic abilities activated, because it's not about becoming a psychic, you are one. So trying it on. So if you have an issue, or let's say you're going for a job interview and you're not sure if you really want the job, it's like there's some sort of gnawing in the back of your mind that's like, well, I really need the job and it's this and that, and you're trying to like rationalize it. Try it on and say, okay, I want to feel it as if I didn't get the job, and then feel it as if I'm in the job and doing it. Where is my sense of relief? If it's like, like I didn't get the job, it feels good, so that's your answer. And it works every time. Give it a whirl. I tell you, it works.